The mysterious central storm discovery. Juno's ultraviolet and microwave instruments uncovered something absolutely terrifying at Jupiter's core, a massive cyclonic storm that shouldn't exist according to our understanding of planetary physics. Unlike the surface storms we can observe from Earth, this central storm spins in the opposite direction to Jupiter's rotation and measures approximately 10,000 kilometers wide, making it larger than Earth itself. In 2017, scientists led by Dr. Scott Bolton from the Southwest Research Institute first reported this bizarre storm that completely defied existing models of Jovian weather patterns and atmospheric dynamics. The storm's presence suggests Jupiter's interior is far more violent and chaotic than anyone previously believed, with turbulent motions that create powerful electromagnetic effects and possibly influence the planet's extraordinary auroras. This discovery opened terrifying new questions about how gas giants maintain their internal heat sources and complex weather systems, forcing scientists to completely rethink everything they thought they knew about planetary atmospheres. The central storm's backwards rotation indicates incredibly complex internal dynamics that researchers are still desperately trying to understand, representing one of the most significant and disturbing findings from Juno's exploration of Jupiter's mysterious depths.